This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Night Reading for All. So this is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers indicate that it provides dark theme for every website you visit. The trouble with this extension is that very often it is spread through integration with many free programs, so in most of the cases people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Another trouble is that users may also see a lot of unwanted advertisements that will be periodically popping up, and these ads are directly originated by this extension, Night Reading for All. In many cases, such third-party extensions may also collect some browsing-related data without the user's permission, so we recommend you to immediately get rid of it, not to tolerate it. To remove this extension, you need to access the menu, go to More Tools, select Extensions. Once you find this extension, disable and remove it. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly concealed threats, we recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the program and start researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.